Hello everyone, welcome back to Health and Beauty Station. Friends, today I'm back with another mini Nykaa haul, and this time I have purchased some of the hair care products and some of the makeup products. So let's get started with the haul. So friends, let's get started with the makeup products. I have ordered some of the products from the brand K Beauty, and this is one of the famous brand for the makeup products, and I wanted to try this brand from long time. So friends, this is the first product. This is the Kajal. This is 24-hour lasting transfer proof smudge proof Kajal. It is enriched with chamomile and ceramide. Net content is 0.35 gram. Now I'll show you the inner packaging. So this is the inner packaging. This is a pencil kind of a packaging, and this is self sharpening tip, so you don't have to sharpen this. So I'll quickly show you the swatch for this product on my hand. So yeah, this is the swatch. This is only in one swatch. It is very dark and sharp line. So really loved it as an eyeliner, and on waterline as well you can use it. I have used the same kajal today, so you can see how it looks like. So I have purchased a lip liner, which is a lip pencil. So this is the lip pencil. This is also enriched with chamomile and morula oil. The shade of this lip pencil is Vanity. I really love this shade. It's kind of a nude shade. So this is the shade, very pretty and very lovely color. It's kind of a everyday shade, and you can easily carry this shade. And the best part is this is smudge proof and transfer proof. The next product I purchased from the K Beauty is lip crayon. This is the lip crayon. This is the outer packaging. It also comes in a cardboard packaging, very pretty packaging actually. This is also enriched with chamomile and marula oil. The quantity is 1.8 gram. Shelf life is 3 years, and I have bought the shade Rom-Com. This is a pretty shade that I am wearing right now on my lips. I will also give you the lip swatch for this separately. This is the crayon. This is really pretty shade, and I really love this kind of a shade. So I'll give you the hand swatch. So this is the shade. So pretty and so lovely. I really love all these shades. And friends, on purchase of these 3 products, I got one complimentary product from K Beauty. This is K Beauty lip topper. This is in a shade Starlet. I'll quickly show you the shade of this. This is actually a lip topper, and this is the shade. This is a glaze. It's kind of a lip gloss, you can say. So this is the shade. I will quickly show you how it looks like. So this is a kind of glossy shade, and if you love to top your lips with lip gloss, this is a kind of lip gloss. And friends, all these K Beauty products are transfer proof and smudge proof. So let's take a transfer test right away. So these are the 3 swatches that I showed you. So yeah, only crayon is transferring, guys. Little bit crayon has got transferred, but not the lip liner and not the kajal. So kajal and lip liner is really 100% transfer proof, but crayon transfers a little bit. So these were the 4 products from K Beauty. This is the complimentary product. Now I'll show you the hair care products that I have bought. So friends, here I have some hair care products from the brand Biotique. Biotique has recently launched lots of new products in their hair care range, and as well as some toners. So I'll show you what I have bought. So this is the Biotique Advanced Organics Onion Black Seed Shampoo. So this shampoo bottle comes with pump, so that I liked about this. So this is for fresh, strong and shining hair. I haven't tried yet, but I will try and soon give you the review. So MRP is 330 rupees, and net content is 300 ml. So next product is again a shampoo, and this is Biotique Advanced Organics Banana Deeply Nourishing Shampoo. So this is the banana shampoo. I have used banana shampoo previously from the Body Shop and it was really great. So let me try this banana shampoo, because banana is great for the hair and banana gives nice shining effect on hair. So I will try this shampoo and give you all the review. So this is again a 300 ml bottle and MRP is 330 rupees, but I bought it from Nykaa and I got 30% off on all these products. So next shampoo is apple cider vinegar shampoo from the Biotic. This is also a new launch shampoo. Again the packaging is 300 ml and price is 330 rupees. This is the MRP I am telling, but I got it on discount. So it has got clip cap at the top. And the last product is Bio Rose Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters for all skin types. So this is a rose toner. I like to use toner and this is one of the toner which suits all skin types. So this is the toner. So this is a rose water toner, so you can use it under makeup as well and gives nice mattified effect on the skin. So these were the 4 products from the brand Biotic, and initially I showed you the K Beauty makeup products. So this was a mini Nykaa haul. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.